Hi, this is English Academy Online, and this is Peter, me, and welcome to this 8th lesson from the course for beginners. And today we're going to start with the irregular verbs. But firstly, we're going to review everything we've done so far in the previous lessons. We started with the present simple, with the verb to be. Okay, I'm here, you're here, he's here, etc. Then we moved on to the moved on to the present simple. This is a pen, or this is a marker. I'm a man, you're a woman, or whatever. He is, she is, it's. Then we passed on to the present continuous. What are you doing now? We're watching this video. I'm holding this. I'm holding this marker on my hand, or inside in my hand. I'm holding this whiteboard on my both hands. All right, etc. Then we moved on the past simple. What did you do yesterday? Yesterday I didn't go to soldier, but I went. Instead, I stayed at home all day long because I was a bit sad. Then we moved on to the past continuous, I think. No, the past continuous, the present perfect, I think. I'm not sure. For example, what have you done today? Today I've been to Sawyer and Puerto of Sawyer. And I don't know, eaten spaghetti. I've cooked. I've made my bed. I cleaned the floor. Sorry, I've cleaned the floor. I've made my bed. I've cooked spaghetti, etc. That would be the present perfect. All right. And then I don't think we did anything else, did we? Sorry. Yeah, did we? And now we're going to pass on the irregular verbs. I'm pretty sure that you heard of the irregular verbs, which are always taught linearly, right? And here we're going to try to learn it organically. What does it mean? Now I'm going to show to you. I'm going to write the first one, which will be the verb to be. Can you see that? Be, was, or were, and been. The first column will be the present simple. The first column. The second column will be the past simple. And the third column will be the present perfect. Okay? And how do I recommend to study that? Like that. I'm here. What was your friend here yesterday? Yes, he was. Or my friend was here yesterday. Were you here yesterday? Yes, I was. Or no, I wasn't. No, you weren't. No, weren't. Weren't. Had you ever been to Italy? Had you ever been? This is the verb to be. Alright? Had you ever been to Italy? No, I haven't. And you? Had you ever been to Italy? Present perfect of the verb to be. Past simple and present simple. I was, I am, I'm, conjunction, I'm, you're here, alright? He's here, she's here, it's here. We've done that before, haven't we? He was, I was, you were, he was, you were, they were, we were, sorry, we were, they were. I've been, and this doesn't change. I've been, you've been, he's been, she's been, it's been, we've been, you've been, and they've been. Alright, and this is how I recommend you to study that. Now, let's go on to another regular verbs. For example, become, became, become, became, become, became, become. Present simple, past simple, present perfect. Become. I became a teacher 8 years ago, but 9 years ago I wasn't a teacher, but then I decided to become a teacher. A butterfly. Do you know what a butterfly is? A butterfly, sorry, a worm, what is a worm? Becomes a butterfly. Do you understand me? Yeah, the other day, sure, became. Sorry, I'm a bit sleepy. Sorry, yeah. Became, not become, huh? Become. The other day, a butterfly became a butterfly, no. A worm became a butterfly. Have you ever become a butterfly? No, you haven't, because you're not a worm, aren't you? You're not a worm, neither a butterfly. Okay? He became the president of the United States. Zapatero became the president of Spain. Alright? And whatever. I become, you become, he becomes, she becomes. And here it doesn't change, huh? It always became. It doesn't matter. No matter what subject are you using, no matter you're using I, you, he, etc. And here it does, well, it changes because I've come, you've come, he's come, etc. They have conjunction, they've come. Can you follow me, or am I running too fast for you? Please. Another would be cut. Sorry. Cut. It doesn't change. What's cut? This is cut. You cut with scissors. Okay? But I don't want to cut it. Okay? I don't want to cut it. Because otherwise I'm going to tear it. Sorry, tear it apart. This is tearing apart. Okay? Look at that. This is folded. And now I'm unfolding it. And I'm going to break it. Alright? I don't want to tear it. This is tearing. Alright? So cut. I'm cutting my fingers. Okay? I'm cutting my fingers. I'm cutting this. Okay? Do you normally, this is an envelope. Do you normally cut a plastic envelope? Do you normally cut envelopes? Okay. Now I'm cutting this. Okay. Look, I'm cutting this thing. This piece of paper, look. I'm cutting it. Can you see that? I'm cutting. What am I doing? I'm cutting this. Alright? I'm not very good at cutting, but I'm trying it. Alright? Now I don't normally cut anything, but now I'm cutting this for this video. Alright? What I've done. What have I done? Well, it doesn't change. I've cut it. I have conjunction. I've cut it. Alright? Yesterday, sorry. I'm crazy. Yesterday I didn't cut any piece of paper. Okay? I don't normally cut pieces of paper. Alright? Do you understand that? Okay. Another verb is the last verb. Do, did, done. This and that. Then. Okay? Though this and that. Do you normally do your homework? You should do your homework or your housework. Alright? Do. Does he normally do his homework? Yes, he does. Or yes, he does his homework. Did you do your homework yesterday? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Or yes, whatever. Had you ever done anything interesting in your life? Would you like to do anything or something interesting in your life? So this is how we're going to learn the irregular verbs. What I recommend to you is to watch my videos. All right. This is the end of this video, and I do hope that you've liked it. If you have any comments, please comment it at the box, and I'm going to read all of them. Any suggestions are welcome, and please subscribe for more videos like that, like this one. Thank you for your support.